Welcome back to my channel. So finally I'm feeling better and I decided to dip into my Rustic Glam. I cannot tell you how much I am loving this palette. The whole look of the palette, the color selection, everything is so amazing. It's absolutely stunning. Once again, Dominique Cosmetics has done it again. Like, I love the Latte palette, and now like combination of these two together, oh my god. So I just used both of these palettes to create this beautiful look. I wanted to really wanted to use the blue shades, but because I'm still recovering from flu and everything, my nose is still a little bit bunged up, and I just didn't want to do anything too dramatic and then struggle when I put my lashes on because of my sinus and all that stuff. So you can say I went for a bit of a safe look, but again, I am so happy the way it turned out. I used the Moonchild shade, which is my favorite shade from the palette. It's really nice shade with like a blue reflexes, black with the blue reflexes. Oh my god, it's absolutely stunning. It's my favorite shade and I use that on my lower lash line. I am planning to do a look using this particular one in probably this would be the dominating color in that look. But anyway, come back into this look. So this is what I went for, and I also used Artist Couture's one of his new diamond powders. It's a diamond glow powder in shade Summer Haze, and absolutely amazing. Again, this particular combo is amazing. Like, they work so well together. Everything just blended up so nicely, so smooth. The shades are super creamy and buttery. They are so easy to work with. Even if you are an amateur who's doing a makeup first time, you're gonna love this palette. It's so easy to work with. So if you want to see how to create this look, just carry on watching this video, and I shall see you guys next time. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. When I'll post a video, you'll get a notification. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for watching once again, and thank you so much for your love and continued support. Take care, and I'll see you guys next time. Love you. Bye. Hey my lovelies, so it's so nice to be back to see you guys. I missed you while I was sick. I really did, actually. So for this look, we're gonna start with the primer, and for the eye base, I'm using my Hard Candy Glamflouge full coverage concealer in shade Extra Light, and I'm applying this with one of my small beauty blenders. You know how much I love my Hard Candy concealer. This is a perfect concealer. It's super duper white. For the whole eye look, we're gonna dig into the Dominique Cosmetic Rustic Glam. Just check this out, man. It's such a beautiful palette. Like, the packaging is good, the colors are good. Oh my god. So I'm just going to take a shade French, and I'm just going to start apply this in my transition as my transition shade, and I'm just going to blend this with my Sigma E40 brush, and I'm going to use a pumpkin shade from the palette, and I'm going to apply this with my Sigma E25, and I'm just applying this right below my transition shade, and I'm just going really light hand with this color because I just don't want it to go overboard with it, and I still want that gradient, all that look and everything. So that's why I'm just taking it very slow when I'm blending this. And now I'm picking up the shade. Which shade is it? It's the dark brown shade from the palette, and that one is called, what is it called? I'm still looking for it. It's called Suede. That's the shade I'm going to apply in my inner corner, and I'm just putting that on like more of a pencil brush. And first of all, I'm just packing the color all in my inner corner, and just like a halfway through my lid, but not all the way. And now and doing the diffusing everything with my E25 brush. Now I'm just doing a half cut crease, and I just cut the crease using my Hard Candy concealer, and and I applied Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in shade Summer Haze, where I just cut the crease. For the mascara, I'm using a Pretty Vulgar mascara in, there is no shade, this is the False Lash mascara. It's super duper good mascara, right now my favorite. For my primer and kind of like a skin prep, I use Farsali 24 karat Exfilir and the No Blur Pore primer. For foundation, I'm using Dior Makeup foundation. This is the matte body and the face foundation in shade 1N and 3N. Absolutely loving this foundation right now. For contour, I'm using Huda Beauty Contour in shade medium. And for concealer, I'm using Tarte Cosmetics Creaseless Concealer, and this is in shade light medium. And I'm going to blend everything with my beauty blender. To set my concealer, I'm using Fenty Beauty setting powder in shade butter. This is my current obsession. Don't think so I'll be going back to any other setting powders. To set my contour and to add a blush, I'm using my Guerlain Terracotta bronzer blush duo together in shade medium. It's absolutely amazing product because it just gives you that contour, bronzer and a blush all in one, like in one product. That's the only thing I used. For the highlight, I'm just dipping into the Dominique Cosmetic Latte palette, and I'm picking up the shade Macchiato, and I'm just going to apply that as my highlighter for this look because it's just such a good shade. I absolutely love this. I also use the same shade on my brow bone too, to highlight my brow bone, which is good. And I'm just picking up the shade Fringe from the Rustic palette to contour my nose. And it's absolutely amazing shade, guys. Now I'm just picking up the shade Suede, and I'm just applying that in my lower lash line, just keeping it all on the outer part. And I'm taking the shade Moonchild and literally tight lining my lower lash line with that shade, and just making sure that shade does show up as like heavy smokiness eye. For the inner corner, I picked up the really nice purpley shade from the palette, which is called Gypsy, and I just highlighted my inner corner with that particular one. And to just make sure my brows are still looking nice, I'm using my Gimme Brow from Benefit Cosmetics in shade number 5. I started to do this step quite a lot because I feel like it after I finish all my makeup. My brows sometimes have like setting powder or something and it doesn't look as defined, so I just go with this product right at the end. For liquid lipstick, we're using Kat Von D liquid lipstick in shade, which one is it, Lolita. However, when I decided to take the pictures, I did change that to Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in shade Celebrity Skin. But again, I think the both colors went out quite nice too with the whole look, and I really didn't know they both are rival kind of thing. But when I applied Lolita, it looked really good, so I just finished off the video using that one. But when I was like doing my pictures, I just wanted to try with a different lip as well, bit of a more nude, so that's why I went with Celebrity Skin, and it looked really good with that too. So if the color in the picture will look different than the color in the video for the liquid lip, because I'm wearing two different colors. I hope it makes sense. And now I'm just going to set everything in place, and for that I'm using my Huda Beauty Extra Hold setting spray. Still have mixed feeling about this. I don't know if it's one of my favorites, but anyway, I do like it though. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I shall see you guys next time. Love you all. Take care. Bye.